didn't talk to this driver at all, did you?
No.
Oh!
I'm Lincoln County Sheriff Tom Nestor. This video is being showed to provide transparency and insight into the events that law enforcement officers face every day. This video will have various angles and recordings of an officer-involved shooting that occurred in the early morning hours of May 20th, 2021 here in Lincoln County. At 3:14 a.m., the Lincoln County Communications Center received a 911 call from a professional truck driver who reported a suspect actively stealing items from semi-trailers.
Lincoln County 911, where's the location of your emergency?
I'm at I'm on I-70 and 287. I'm at that little parking area. I report someone took my seal off. So far it looks like they didn't take nothing out, but there's another truck sitting there with his door open, and I think they're trying to steal stuff.
After gathering pertinent information, Lincoln County Communications dispatched Deputy Sheriff Michael Hutton to the scene. Minutes after being dispatched, Deputy Hutton arrived on the scene and met with the reporting person.
I had to get in and get a jacket.
Okay.
It was inside that behind the door.
This one here. Is this your truck or?
This is my truck.
Okay.
Someone else.
I didn't see your doors open when I came down here.
No, because he already shut them.
All right.
Someone did, because they took the seal off. The seal's off, that means someone...
Of yours?
Yes.
Okay.
Before the investigation could even begin, Deputy Hutton was ambushed and shot within seconds.
You didn't talk to this driver at all, did you?
No.
Oh!
Deputy Hutton was shot 3 times, injuring his hand, his arm, and his torso. One bullet pierced his lung, which left him with life-threatening injuries.
Well, there we go, Mike.
A regional response was requested by our communications center for an officer down. Lincoln County Communications and Deputy Hutton continued to talk the best they could.
Lincoln 7 status.
Everybody use caution. Again, I'm down. And I'm losing blood pretty quick. I got shot about 3 times. I'll be back.
I've got air light heading your way, sir. You've got backup coming. Hang in there.
Well, yeah, I'm definitely gonna probably lose it here soon, guys. So.
After 21 minutes, responding officers were able to get to Deputy Hutton and begin life-saving efforts.
Hey, where you hit? Where you hit?
I got you.
Where you hit?
I'm right here, Mike.
Where? We're here. Okay, all right. Where you hit? Do you know where you hit?
I feel bad on this side.
Okay. All right. Okay, here we go. Okay. You're good, man. Dude, you're not bleeding in your torso. You're okay. You're okay. Give me some shears.
We got you, brother.
I got you right here, big dog. Okay. So you get stuff. Okay. We need to cut this off of
Driver
it.
told me that someone ran this way, so
What we got?
I don't know if we got someone else here.
All right. You're all right, bud.
Deputy Hutton was transported to Lincoln Health where he was stabilized and was later airlifted to a Denver area trauma center. As trauma teams were saving Deputy Hutton's life, the manhunt for the suspect continued. Later that morning, Tristan Ensinger of Ohio was located with a self-inflicted gunshot wound. It was later discovered that the suspect was on the run for a murder he had committed a few days prior to ambushing Deputy Hutton. Through the investigation, it was evident that the suspect intended to ambush law enforcement upon their arrival. This incident shows the dangers that law enforcement officers face every day. We are grateful that Deputy Hutton is healing well and will return to full duty.